Hi everybody and welcome to the top FPV videos of the week. I am your host Ken Arias, and today we got some of the top FPV videos from across the internet. But first we are going to continue with our special announcement. That's right, April 2nd, Columbia Space Center, Downey, California, City of STEM, Pilots and Drones will be there with a race course and flying pinata parade and drone jousting. Be sure to check it out from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, that's April 2nd. Now back to the show. And we're going to start you off with a tribute video to Ukraine from Algiris Rumbidis. Check him out. Wow, Algiris, what a great and inspiring video. Our hearts go out to all of those who are affected by the war in Europe. Be sure to check him out on TikTok at iFlySometimes and his IG, Algiris Rabidovus. Thank you again for sharing that amazing video with us. Up next, we got Hola ACchillin on one of his last battery beats. Check it out. Wow, AC, you really got the moves, brother. Keep it coming and keep it smooth. Well, that's going to do it for us this week on Top FPV Videos of the Week. Click that like button and that subscribe button. And always be sure to just send it.